To get started, you'll need a chopper and about 150 grams of onions. Give onions a little pulse, and what the salt does is helps take out all the extra moisture from these onions. The onions go back into the mixer or the chopper. Add some ginger, a bit of garlic, deseeded chilies, some coriander and mint. We need to put in a few tablespoons of lemon. You can see the exact measure. Some oil. All of this is in the description. And blitz it into a coarse paste. Now add the spices, starting with chilies, a lot of it, some garam masala. Try to make it at home, that's the best one. And of course, some coriander powder. Add a bit more oil, that'll help it all come together very well. Our marinade is now done. We're only going to use a bit of it for butter chicken, but you can use it for so much more because it will stay for weeks in a fridge.